Hey guys, I have been away for a little while now, and it's just been a really busy summer, and I'm sure everyone knows about COVID and all that stuff going on. It's just not been a totally great time because I had to finish off my semester at home, which kind of sucked with my classes, but it was fine because the classes were actually easier once they were online. But yeah, sorry I haven't posted in a while. It's been busy with work, with family stuff, with doing things, rental houses and all that. But I'm just kind of gonna throw a video out there. I'm doing some stuff today. My dad asked me to do. I gotta adjust this hitch. Gotta lower it one bolt hole, because it's a little too tall now with how the truck sits. So I'm gonna have to do that, and got a couple other things I'm gonna be doing as well. So I'll take you for a ride with that. Let me first clean up some of my tools and stuff. So this thing is probably like 50 pounds because this block and stuff is just solid steel. And I mean, it's meant for, what is it? It doesn't quite say it. Yep, right there. 10,000 pounds or 1,000 pounds of tongue weight. So we got a pretty hefty boy here for towing our travel trailer. So let me just set this up so you can watch me adjust it. So, adjusted it. Only thing I'm wondering is, I remember years back when I first set this thing up, I never had any washers for these things. I just think that's kind of bad, because given how big this notch is. So, I don't like how that's just kind of sitting there. So, I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be like that, but not sure. Okay, so I just looked up a photo of this, and it turns out this washer thing's supposed to go on this side for the top bolt and on the bottom for the other bolt. So I can get my phone out and show you. See there, I can barely see it, but it's there, and then this other photo shows the other side. I can't see it. I don't know, that makes more sense. Well, it doesn't actually, because both sides are open like that. So, I don't know. Oh, and to clarify on that last bit where I was kind of looking at the hitch, like, thinking to myself, I ended up actually going to, there's a place called Mid-State Bolt and Screw, where they got me a couple big washers I could put over that, and I was able to screw it all together, and should be all good now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.